This Temu Portable Blender might look tempting, but I would not treat the main product photo as proof by itself. This keyword has a strong bias signal, so the important part is filtering hype from real proof. For this kitchen item, I would check 3 things before buying. First, whether the listing shows the real size and material. Second, whether buyer photos match the promise. And third, whether low-star reviews repeat the same complaint. The first red flag: if the listing only has polished images and vague claims, I would wait or compare it against an Amazon listing with clearer reviews. My verdict is mixed, but okay if the product matches your exact use case. Based on the listing and review signals, not a hands-on test, I would only buy it if the product page clears those checks. Comment the next Temu product you want checked, and I will run the same buyer research filter before you waste money on it.